So what's going to happen with Sedona short-term rentals in 2022? Hi, I'm Chad McMahon. I've lived in Sedona for over 30 years, and I've been a Sedona-specific realtor for almost 20 years. I specialize in luxury real estate, as well as cash flow, short-term rentals, investing. So in 2022, here are the forecasts. This is all based on what happened in 2021, 2020, and predicted market changes that are going to be occurring this year, including interest rates going up at least 3 rounds of interest rate increases by no later than about March or so. We're going to be looking at cash on cash returns for our clients, and our clients receive above average returns because it's what we do. So cash on cash returns are typically going to be over 15%. And into the range more commonly of about 20 to 40% cash on cash returns. Cash flow is going to be over 10%, typically more like 15 to 20% cash flow. And usually what's kind of common in the Sedona area is that you're going to be looking at as is cash flow of about 10%. So you make some economical improvements, and then including all your costs, including improvement costs, that's how you push it up to more like 15, 20% cash flow. We do have higher than average appreciation for short-term rentals, so it's important that it's mentioned. So we saw last year, 2021, approximately 30% appreciation. And even with interest rates and other predicted changes, we're going to be looking at approximately the same appreciation, maybe higher. And that's primarily and very simply due to 2 main things. One is extremely low inventory. We have the lowest inventory we've seen in over 10 years. And we have a very aggressive buyer pool, meaning lots and lots of buyers that are wanting, especially short-term rental. The thing about short-term rentals that's adding more buyers to the mix is that you've got not just the people that want to live in the home, which is difficult for them to compete with the investors, but also you've got the investor pool. And with the investor pool, you've got cash buyers, you've got finance buyers, you've got both. A lot of those investors that started investing 3 years ago, and now, they're financially backed. They are doing very, very well with their investment portfolios. They're able to come in a little bit more aggressively than the new investors. So you're seeing cash buyers that are doing escalation clauses, pushing up the purchase price, and it's hard for other people to compete with that. So that being said, that aggressive buyer pool, the low inventory, you're seeing really high appreciation rates. So it's an excellent time to buy in Sedona. And aside from that, it's important to know that when you're coming in and you're looking at offer time, and of course we'll support our clients with whatever they want to do, but we always advise our clients to kind of mentally and emotionally prepare you for what's going to happen and financially prepare you for what's going to happen. Expect 5% to 25%, sometimes even 40% or higher above asking price. And it depends upon if the listing agent and seller marketing strategy is to come in low and generate 15, 20, or even 30 offers to push it up with those escalation clauses. We're seeing that quite a bit. That is an effective strategy. Or if it's priced above or below or at market, that's also working fine. It's just less offers and really less hassle. So a lot of listing agents prefer that style, so that they're not having to review and then respond to 15 or 20 or 30 offers, and sometimes more offers. So expect the final purchase price to be 5, more likely is 10, 20, 25% of asking. That's most common right now for short-term rentals. And it's important to prepare for that because financially, if you know that your cap, your maximum is going to be, let's say, $1 million, then you don't really want to be looking at properties that are over about 900. In some special cases, you can pick up a property that's 945, 950. Sometimes you can get them at asking, but you can't really expect that. Recently I was able to help my clients get a property at asking, an excellent short-term rental property, but we were very lucky because there was another property that came on the market about 6 hours after the one that we got into contract on and went live, and it pulled a lot of those buyers over. And I knew that was going to happen. And so I had advised my buyers to focus on that first one. We're able to get a great deal on it, great terms. and they're going to do very well on that one as far as their cash flow goes. So that being said, if there's anything further, just reach out. You can call directly. You can schedule a call right on our website. Whether you're a buyer, whether you're a seller, look forward to chatting with you. Take care.